feel like that was so basic and dry because it's just me.
She lacking on a palm, the ain't. Fuck up the whip, what the fuck off range. Me and them niggas in the same tap on. Make it rain, make it rain. I might lose my face, but I gotta keep the cool, cause they know my face. I hold a big boy name, but it's this. She lacking on the palm, the ain't.
Hey guys, so
southeast on Roswell Road Northeast.
Okay, can I? Hey guys, so I'm in the car right now. Starting off this vlog kind of in a rush. I'm late. I'm meeting a group of girls out. My friend Kate invited me to go out to eat and then go out to bowling. So I'm really excited. I'm about to go right now. It's with a bunch, I feel like, I'm not sure if everyone does YouTube, but I know it's like a bunch of influencer girls. So I'm really excited to meet everyone. I'm late, but I just wanted to talk about it really quick because I haven't really done like a huge girl group hangout that's not like going out to the club, so like sit down out to eat and then go do a fun activity. Like, yeah, so I haven't really done that for a while. It's mostly been like 2 to 3 girls, unless it's like, oh, I'm zooming in, I'm so sorry. And I literally just realized that Tuesday, like, we're going to Bar Taco, so I just realized that it's probably like because it's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, and I haven't done that ever. I don't think I've ever like celebrated Taco Tuesday. I'm gonna stop talking and I'll just like fill you guys in after taco, because after Bar Taco, because we're gonna go bowling. And yeah, I'm driving today. I don't really do that out at night, but let's just see how it goes. Okay, you guys say hi to the vlog. I wasn't vlogging before, but I am now. Say hi to Alexus, guys. She has her own channel. I'm gonna put it on the screen and link it down below. Go. Hey, Kiana, say hi. Hi. We gotta put you in the light. Kiana has Instagram. She has YouTube too. She doesn't post a lot, but she posts a lot on Instagram.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Paying too long for a nigga so cheap. Being flex OD and sex.
Ooh, what a bro. Oh my god.
Baby, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You're the only one I'm trying to make love to. Cricket and chills, and they ain't really love you. Running game music. All your stupid exes, they gon' call it game.
Hi guys. Yeah. You literally got a strike. How do you feel?
I feel great. I'm above you. You were at the bottom.
Kiana lost bowling.
I got second place. By luck. I don't know how to say by luck.
By luck.
At the beginning,
She was almost at zero.
praying on my downfall.
Kiana.
I came up.
Left.
You were praying on my downfall.
I literally don't even know what I look like right now, but let's just not even talk about it. Today is Thursday. It is 10:35 p.m. I feel like I'm always vlogging at night. That's literally when I have the most energy. Yeah, the last time I saw you guys was when I went out to meet the girls. It was me, Alexus, Aaliyah, Kate, and Kiana. And then I think there were supposed to be 2 others, but they couldn't make it. So we only had a group of 5. We went to Bar Taco, and I didn't vlog at Bar Taco just cause like, yeah, just cause I don't want to be putting a camera in everyone's face like the first time I meet them. That's why I didn't vlog when I hung out with Alexus the first time either. Yeah, we had a really great time. Got so many good vibes from everyone. So that was my first Taco Tuesday actually, and it went well. And then afterwards, Aaliyah didn't come to bowling because she had to go to her friend's birthday thing. So then the 4 of us went to bowling, and that was really fun. You guys saw that. And then we ended up meeting back up with Aaliyah again and some of her friends. We went to a hookah lounge, and then we went to somewhere after. I don't think I got home until like 3:30, and it was just supposed to be tacos and bowling. I feel like that's how much fun we all had with each other, like that the night just kept going on. Next week we were possibly gonna get together to do karaoke, so we'll see. So right now I'm packing because I'm going to New York for Ghanaian independence. I'm on the floor. I should be in like the living room area, but it got messy again because I was trying on clothes, doing stuff, so like it's not really clean over there, so I don't want to be over there. But I just know you guys are gonna be happy. I mean, I'm gonna be happy too when I finally have my place together, so you guys can stop staring at like blank walls and stuff. But this is my suitcase. This is gonna be a very quick pack with me because I'm hoping I'm not gonna pack a lot. Normally I don't show you guys what I pack, but because I'm gonna be trying to fit everything in a carry-on, I just thought I'd show you guys some of the key pieces that I'm gonna be bringing with me to New York. The suitcase is kind of actually really tiny. Like, you just have to be like, I'm pretty sure, like a good packer. I literally bought packing cubes from Amazon to show you guys because I've been seeing these all over TikTok. I definitely need to get some to help me when I pack and like make more space in my suitcase and help me stay more organized. The main items that I got, I purchased this dress from my friend Alexus brand. She has a YouTube channel as well, Alexus Nakia. She has a clothing brand, and I've been seeing these dresses and I just love the way that her models looked in the dresses. It's kind of like shapewear, but it doubles as an actual outfit just because of how good it looks. And I really like this quality. It's really stretchy. The cup feels like really sturdy as well. I hope that my boobs are big enough. I also got another dress from another friend, from Lolly. She wanted me to promote this dress for her, so I'm gonna bring it in case. This really pretty gold dress, and the back has a large dip. The only thing is, most people can wear this to the club because it's a midi dress, but on me it's maxi, so it gives off even more elegant vibes, so it might be too much for the club, but I'm gonna bring it with me in case so I can take pictures. Another outfit option for me is this two-piece from White Fox Boutique with the corset. And then I was like, I need to bring some kind of outfit to wear in case there's like something chiller going on, so I brought this crop top, and it's gonna be a little bit warmer in New York. That was from Pretty Little Thing. And then I have this kind of soft corset top from Mesh Keys, and then both of those, if worn, would be just paired with jeans. I said I was only gonna show you guys the main stuff that I'm bringing, but because I'm trying to keep it light, I know myself, I always overpack things that I don't need. So just one pair of pajamas to keep my suitcase light. I'm bringing this skim set just for like daytime, like in the house. Because I have so little this time, it low-key feels like I don't need the packing cubes, but I feel like I might just put them in the packing cubes to organize everything. And then I always, whenever I go anywhere, I bring a robe because this is what I like to wear when I'm out the shower before I get ready. I do my makeup in my robes, my hair in my robe. They're just really nice to have. I'm a person that always gets cold, so I'm bringing this White Fox quarter zip. I'm gonna pack a few t-shirts. I have another kind of going out top. I'm gonna pack my underwear. After this, I'm about to take a shower. Then I'll just like pack my bathroom stuff after that. I'm gonna install my wig before I leave, so I don't really think I'll need much. I do need to bring a pair of sweatpants and probably a pair of leggings, but that'll be it. And then I just need to find shoe options, but I'll show you guys my bag in the morning once it's all arranged. Also, from Amazon, I got these hair clips that I have been looking for forever. They're the ones that look like this. Also, I got a box sent to me by Liquid IV. I love their stuff. Yeah, and they just wanted me to try out some more stuff so I can see if I want to become part of the ambassador program. So I have the energy multiplier, the hydration multiplier, but this one also comes with immune support, I'm pretty sure. And then I have the regular hydration multiplier. I actually like Liquid IV a lot, so I was actually really happy that they reached out because I'm like, yeah, definitely want to make commission off of something that I already use. So I'm gonna pack a couple of these to take with me. But yeah, I know you guys are tired of looking at me looking like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix up this bag, and then I'll see you guys when it's time to go to the airport.
Just let up, I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl, now somebody so let it go. Damn, if I let them catch up, it's easy to see that you fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess you didn't know any. Girl, have man didn't show any. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lady, you say he be killing them. Gotta be sick of this.
Hey guys, so I made it to New York safe and sound like I showed you guys earlier. Except a Wednesday.
It's me in the flesh.
I didn't vlog the whole day because I was just sleeping in bed, answering emails, nothing too crazy. But now we're about to all go out. It is a Ghanaian Independence Weekend. And the weekend of March, what's the day, 4th? March 4th.
Yeah, it's March 6th, today is the 4th.
Okay, yeah, and then Ghanaian Independence Day is on Sunday the 6th. So I'm here in New York for that. I just thought might as well spend it with Michael since he's Ghanaian. So today I'm gonna put the flyer up. We're going to New Jersey, this thing in New Jersey. I don't know how great it's gonna be. This is not really a whole like New York vlog, but I do want to show you guys my outfit for the night because it's so cute. I want to do one of those things where on TikTok how they do it, even though like they usually do it with a bunch of different girls. Top white fox, skirt white fox, necklace Vivienne Westwood, bag Fashion Nova, heels, my heels, where are my heels from? Heels, semi shoes. And yeah, I feel like that was so basic and dry because it's just me. But I want to do that with a bunch of my friends whenever we all go out somewhere. Oh, you could do your outfit.
What's my outfit?
Say do like, it's a TikTok where you be like, this is from here, this is from
Oh, outfit check. Green sweater from Topman. Coat, green coat from Mango. My jeans are from Old Navy. My shoes are, you know, Stan Smith, Adidas. My socks, yeah. My socks are from Marshalls. And these are from Birkenstocks. I wanna say my original song. That's the Ghanaian version of Dreams and Nightmares. When they hear it, they go mad.
Michael doesn't want to do his outfit check. He said, you don't want to do outfit check,
y'all don't
right?
want to see this whole outfit check. This ain't Nike.
What was I gonna say? I'm drinking liquid IV before. I usually do that before a night out. That's why I was like really like pleased that they even like reached out to me. That tends to happen like when I like a brand or something, I'll just find them in my
It's like
email.
magic.
I know, I don't know, maybe it's manifestation if I'm thinking about it. And then I also take BC powder. It's kind of like a painkiller. I learned this trick from Sophia. She taught me about this. I guess you just take it before you drink and then you don't wake up with a headache. And apparently like when I say it to my other friends, they know about it too. So I'm like, I was just left in the dust, in the darkness. So I'm gonna take the BC powder and the liquid IV. The only thing is it's actually really disgusting, like really disgusting. And then the flavor of liquid IV I'm trying today is, hold on, I obviously don't have the packet because I used it. I'm trying acai berry or acai berry. Oh, Arenze, did you want your drink? Okay, so we're drinking Truly today because the liquor stores are closed, and this is a seltzer. I don't really know the difference between seltzer and beer like at all, but this is bubbly as well, and it doesn't really have that much alcohol in it, just like 5%. But let's try it. Little ASMR quick review.
You go more so down now.
Yeah, go more so that way.
Oh, it tastes good. I don't
The thing
know.
is, like,
Of course it wouldn't taste bad. It's only 5%. This is like juice basically. He went to the gas station and they were like only being sold in this pack. So it comes with all these different flavors. This would be so cool to have like at a party or a gathering. Like you could use this as a chaser. No, these are actually really cool. But okay, bye guys. I'm not sure if this is gonna be the end of the vlog right here because I don't know if I'm really gonna vlog tonight. I think I'll probably vlog tomorrow night for you guys.
You better, because if you don't vlog, it means the party is dead.
But alright guys, I'm gonna see y'all when I see you. If this is the last time I see y'all, bye, but it's probably not the last time I see you.
She liking on the palm, the ainge. Fuck up the whip, what the fuck off range. Me and them niggas in the same. Tap on, make it rain, make it rain. I might lose my face, but I gotta keep the cool, cause they know my face. I hold a big boy name, but it's this. She liking on the palm, the ainge.